Hi friends, welcome to this tutorial where we dive into SAP Cloud Platform, an incredible platform as a service offering from SAP. If you are looking to build application using cutting edge technologies like blockchain, AI, machine learning, or the Internet of Things, also called IoT, this is the platform you want to explore. SAP Cloud Platform provides the flexibility and tools you need to integrate these technologies seamlessly with both SAP and non-SAP systems. In this video, we'll go through how you can leverage this platform to create innovative and scalable solutions. So, as you can see, what is SAP Cloud Platform? Currently, it is known as SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform. So, it is a premier platform as a service solution offered by SAP. It allows you to integrate seamlessly with various systems, ensuring high connectivity and workflow efficiency. You get out of the box integration option, meaning you won't have to spend time developing everything from scratch. Whether you want to connect with SAP S4 HANA, SuccessFactor, or Ariba, or even non-SAP systems, this platform has built-in SDKs to make development easier. Plus, it offers three distinct environments which I'll show you again: new environment, cloud foundry environment, and ABAP environment. These are the three distinct environments that it provides. We'll discuss these environments and how to choose the best one you needs later in this video. So in this slide, we'll discuss about the integration of advanced technologies. One of the most exciting features of SAP Cloud Platform is its support for advanced technologies. You can integrate blockchain for enhanced security and transparency, particularly useful in areas like supply chain management. AI and machine learning capabilities are also supported, enabling predictive analytics and automation. This platform also connects with IoT devices, allowing real-time monitoring and data-driven decision making. We'll explore some useful case studies where businesses have integrated these technologies to supercharge their operations. So, enhancing operational efficiency with SAP Cloud Platform integration. So, operational efficiency is the key to business success, and SAP Cloud Platform excels in providing seamless connections. It directly integrates with key SAP products like SAP S4 HANA, SuccessFactors, and Ariba, making your workflows more efficient. Not just SAP systems, it also supports multiple infrastructure as a service IaaS providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Additionally, SAP provides built-in SDKs to simplify these integrations. The Cloud Foundry environment is highly flexible and supports various programming languages, so you are not limited to one specific technology stack. So as I was discussing you in the first slide, that the environments offered by SAP Cloud Platform. So it majorly provides Neo environment, Cloud Foundry environment, and the ABAP environment. These are the things. So the new environment is more traditional and works best for established SAP applications. If you need flexibility, the Cloud Foundry is your go-to, as it supports multiple programming languages like Java and Python. The ABAP environment is for SAP-centric development, designed specifically for applications written in ABAP. Choosing the right environment is a crucial because it aligns your project with the appropriate technologies and goals. We'll break down each environment to help you make an informed decision. So why choose Cloud Foundry? Cloud Foundry is the top choice when it comes to cloud development on SAP Cloud Platform. Its open source nature means it supports diverse programming language providing development flexibility. You also have the bring your own language option, allowing you to work in your preferred language, whether that's Node.js, Java, or Python. Cloud Foundry is compatible with major IaaS infrastructure as a service providers like AWS, Microsoft, Azure, giving you scalable infrastructure choice. This level of flexibility allows businesses to create tailored solutions perfectly suited to their needs. Now, in the next slide, we'll go through the future trends in technology solution. So, as you can see in the slide, like 5G are accelerating IoT's development, allowing faster data transmission and real-time decision making. Alongside this, cybersecurity innovations are becoming increasingly important to protect sensitive data, especially as digital threats rise. Companies are also focusing on sustainability, adopting eco-friendly technologies to reduce their carbon footprints. SAP Cloud Platform is well positioned to help organizations tap into these emerging trends, providing them with the tools needed to build scalable, innovative solutions. Now, in the last slide, we'll discuss about the call to action. In conclusion, SAP Cloud Platform offers the flexibility, integration, capabilities, and advanced technology support that modern business should need to stay competitive. Whether you are working with blockchain, IoT, AI, or any other cutting edge technology, SAP Cloud Platform or a BTP has everything that you should know and has covered. Now that you have seen how this platform can transform your business, it's time to start building your innovative solution. That's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorial. Thank you, guys.